Sunrise paints the Atlantic gold, steel drums echo from Nassau's shore, 3 nights, 2 ports, 0 stress. Why wait a year for vacation when the Bahamas beckon this weekend? A 3-night Bahamas cruise from Port Canaveral is the ultimate mini escape, perfect for busy families, couples, or solo adventurers craving turquoise waters without draining PTO. Education enthusiasts, this guide persuades you. Compact itineraries pack big fun, with onboard thrills and island immersion, all for under $500 per person. It's not a teaser, it's a full tropical reset. Broadly, these sailings loop from Florida's Space Coast to Nassau and a private island, typically Friday to Monday. Ships like Carnival Liberty, Royal Caribbean's Independence of the Seas, or MSC Seashore carry 2,000 to 4,000 guests, blending mega resort amenities, pools, shows, kids clubs, with intimate port days. Weather? 75 to 85 degrees Fahrenheit year-round. It's persuasive. Shorter cruises mean lower cost, less planning, maximum recharge. Specifics sparkle. Day 1. Board by 3 p.m., sail 5 p.m., enjoy welcome aboard dinner, comedy show. Day 2. Nassau 8 a.m. 5 p.m., snorkel Atlantis Reefs, $60, shop Bay Street straw markets, $20 souvenirs, or lounge Junkanoo Beach, free. Day 3. Private island. Perfect day at Coco Key, Castaway Key, or Ocean Key, zip lines, $100, wave pools, free, barbecue lunch included. Day 4. Disembark 8 a.m. Onboard, 10+ dining venues, 2 free, water slides, mini golf, spa, $150 massage. Cabins from $249 interior, $399 balcony, double occupancy. Practical playbook, book 60 to 90 days out via cruise. Com. Inside cabins drop to $199. Fly MCO, $150 round trip, Uber to port, $40. Prepay gratuities, $45/person. Packed swimsuit and carry-on, bags arrive late. Download ship app for schedules. Budget $800 to $1,200/couple, cruise $600, drinks $150, package or $12/drink, excursions $100. Skip ship Wi-Fi, $50 use, island cafes. Kids sail free on select lines. Board early for shorter lines. Your island escape launches Friday. Sun, sea, smiles. Nassau history or Coco Key thrills, which excites you most? Share in comments.